If you're missing calls on your iPhone because it's not allowing them or letting them through, it's an easy step that we can go through in the settings app of your iPhone to get that fixed. So let me walk you through it. So what you're going to do is head into the settings app of your iPhone. The first thing you're going to do is scroll down and tap on focus. Check to see if any of these are turned on. If a focus mode like do not disturb is turned on, this could be screening your calls. So just swipe down from the top right and then find that focus mode, like in my case, YouTube or do not disturb, and just uncheck that to turn it off. And now those iPhone calls will ring to your iPhone. However, keep in mind, this isn't the only thing because potentially you have silenced unknown callers. So let's fix that as well. So let's go back on your iPhone to the beginning of your settings. From the beginning of your settings, scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. And then scroll down again until you get to the phone section on your phone. There we go. And then scroll down yet again. There are a number of different things we're going to change on here. You can see it says screen unknown callers. If you have it set to silence, it says calls from unsaved numbers like doctor's offices or stuff like that will be silenced and sent to voicemail. So you can switch this to never. But I would also recommend scrolling down and under call filtering, turn off unknown callers and spam just to make sure you're able to see those calls when you open up the phone app. The last thing we will do is just tap on blocked contacts. Keep in mind, if you go in here and you blocked a phone number that tries to call you, it won't be able to ring to your phone. So of course, if you have blocked them, all you need to do is swipe to the left and just tap on the unblock button so that they'll be able to call you and it will ring successfully to your iPhone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.